Hi guys, and welcome back to wpDataTable tutorials. So as you saw in the previous video, we released the 5.0 update, and we are currently showing you how you can use the options for updating manual tables. More specifically, in today's video, we are going to show you how you can add new rows to your table from a source data. So without further ado, let's just dive right in.
Okay, so we'll use the same manual table we used in the previous video. If you guys remember, we've replaced the original table with 10 rows with an external source file that contains only 3 rows. Now, suppose that you want to add new data to this table. We've prepared a file which, as in the previous video, needs to have the same number of columns. Those columns need to have the same headers, and the date format in here needs to be the same as configured in wpDataTables settings. So we now have 1, 2, 3. We're adding 4, 5, and 6. In the select how to use source file data, we select add rows to the current table data. We browse for the file and upload the file from here. So we choose the file and we hit save changes. Again, wpDataTables warns you that you're about to add data from an existing source to your table. And again, mentions the date type columns that need to be the same. So I click on yes, save the table. And now this table contains the first 3 rows, but added the remaining 3 rows from the external file. Now, bear in mind that we are updating the table with new data. So if you create a file that already contains these 3 rows, they will be duplicated. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you only need to add new data without duplicating the data that you previously had.
This is a great option for all of you who have multiple sources and want to combine them all into one table in your wpDataTables plugin. So please make sure to check that out. And if you have any questions or any other suggestions, leave those down in the comments. As always, we will respond or film a tutorial on how any of those work. And while you're there, don't forget to like,
share,
and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.
Take care, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.